more nuts.
Order.
Joe Campbell, you know why you're here, why you are here today? Huh?
Yes, I do.
You were robbed. You were robbed, right? You were robbed.
Yes.
I never got my camera.
Judge, Your Honor, I'd like to have that marshal from the record, please. I would appreciate the court.
I want to ask you a question, Mr. Campbell. Do you see the culprits in this courtroom today?
The who?
Do you see the one who stole the candy?
Yes, I do.
These points, right there.
The Black Pete.
Please let the record show, Your Honor, that Mr. Campbell has testified for solid waste as the guilty one. I'm not presenting with the next attorney.
How you doing?
How long has Ms. Blaze been assisting you?
Miss Blay started to assist me at the tail end of the spring semester 2011, and she's been with me since September of this year.
What work has she done with you?
Miss Blaze performs some clerical work for me by, she does typing, she does filing, she checks academic eligibility for some of the teams, and when she's not doing anything for me, she's usually studying.
Right. How well do you trust her?
How well do I trust her? I trusted her, I would say I trusted her implicitly up until the day my candy was missing. Now I have reservations about that trust.
And would you say she has access to your room?
Yes, she does.
You remember that day when who was interviewing you?
Yes.
Who came in
You and this gentleman right here.
when you was interviewing you? Christelle?
Christelle came in.
With what keys? Keys to your room?
No, no keys.
Yes,
It's always
keys.
open.
There was keys.
I can't recall that.
And you said she had taken stuff from you before.
No. I told you that she usually asked if she could have something. And when she did take something, she always left a note on my desk saying that she took a cookie, or she took a tangerine, or she took an apple.
So she did before that.
Yes.
Alright. So you told me that she was the only student with access to your classroom.
Yes. My office.
And now you said you looked at her.
Can I correct that statement?
Alright.
She doesn't have access to my office unless someone's in the office, which is usually me. However, Mr. Natal, who works outside my office, will let Crystal in, and only Crystal in when I'm not there and she needs to do something.
And now do you have that same amount of trust as before?
No,
What?
because my candy was taken on the day in question.
And you remember where it came from?
Candy was found in Miss Blaze's bag that was in my office.
Alright.
No further questions.
Would the defense like to cross-examine?
Not at this time, Your Honor. We reserve the right to recall witness.
The prosecution would like to direct.
No, thank you.
Prosecution, do you have any witnesses?
No.
Okay. Now, will the defense please call its first witness?
You call Keyshawn Singh to the stand.
Raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Make it. defense, to repeat that.
Miss, can you please state your name and occupation for the court?
You gotta speak up.
Sean Stain, and student.
And, do you know the defendant?
Yes.
What is her name?
Christelle Blades,
And can you please tell the court your relationship with Ms. Blaze?
friend.
What kind of friend?
Like very close friends.
Okay, and how would you describe Ms. Blaze's character?
She's a very trustworthy person and is always honest and always around to help and just always there and a very good person.
You gotta speak up, you gotta speak up. Can't hear you back here.
Do you feel the defendant is capable of stealing something?
No.
Prosecution.
Do you have experience with Christelle's friends?
Her friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Could you please describe her friends a little bit?
They two are very trustworthy and they're like always there to things and very smart in things that they do.
Have they ever played around with or tricks and displays or fun?
Not that I know of.
Further questions, Your Honor?
Defense, are you finished?
Yes, no further questions.
Prosecution, would you like to cross-examine? You may continue.
Where's Ms. Thomas? I said, where's Ms. Thomas?
Miss, so, you say that you know Stone Ray, she's a good condo.
I don't know if the
You
candy
know
is
her birthday?
what candy is.
Yes. What is her birthday? Do you know her last name? What is her last name? Can you spell that out, please? And you say she is trustworthy? But she lied to two of the witnesses today. And you know her how long? Your Honor, I would like to submit some information to the evidence file. We have Ms. Christelle's legal name and birthday, which should be recorded do not match the legal name and birthday that her friend stated.
Oh, they got you.
Will you please read the facts?
Date of birth. 11/00/30. 11 o'clock.
And her last name, Your Honor, is,
Gloria Velez.
can you spell her last name, please, Your Honor?
As here is spelled Buhlaze.
So, Ms. Lazy, trustworthy person submitted false information to the law because it does not match the information that her longtime friend provided to the court.
That's correct.
And she also lied to two of her witnesses today.
Your Honor,
That's-
objection, it has not yet been established if she lied to the witnesses as of yet.
Objection sustained.
With those files in the evidence, Your Honor, any further questions?
Defense, would you like to redirect?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Will the defense call a second witness?